In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix ReelShort app not working. So if your ReelShort application is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the poor internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. After that, your application will work. But if your application is still not working, in that case, what you can do is simply try updating the application. If you update the application, the bugs can be fixed. So simply launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is search for ReelShort. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for ReelShort and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your problem will be solved. But if your application is still not working, in that case, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the application. Sometimes the problem can also be caused by the cache. So what you have to do is simply launch up an app library on your device. Now find the application for ReelShort and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on this option, storage and cache. Now you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache. After you do that, the cache of the application will be cleared and it will start to work. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem could be solved. Or you can also try simply restarting your device. For that, what you have to do is long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. Now the temporary glitches of the device will be fixed. Now your application will start working. So that is how you fix ReelShort app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.